Hello everyone, my name is Shyamji and today I am going to solve the problem that is palindrome string. So in the palindrome string, and, there is a given problem that you are given a string yes and your task is to determine if the string is palindrome and a string is considered as palindrome if it reads the same as forward and backward. So let's take an example. If I take an example that is madam and if I reverse it, so it will also become madam. So it is same as if I read it forward and if I read it backward. So it is equal. So it is palindrome. And if I take another example that is like A, B, C. And if I reverse it, it will become C, B, A. And in forward it is A, B, C and in backward it is C, B, A. So it is not palindrome. So what approach we can use here? So if there is a string that is madam and if I reverse it, so if I read it from the backward side, so there is m, so I will add m to another string, so it will become m, and then I decrease the pointer, so it points to a, and I will add a to the our newer string, and again I will decrease the pointer, so it points to d, so I will add d to here, and after it a, so I will add a to here, and after it will point m, so I will add em to here. And now I will compare that our original string that is yes and our reverse string that is str is equal. If it is equal, then I can simply return it is true and it is palindrome. So, but problem with this approach that it takes time complexity of order of n because we are using a loop that from the end to start. And if I talk about the space complexity, so it also takes space complexity of order of n because I am reversing the string and storing in the another string. So this string is of length n and another string is also of length n. So it will take order of n space. So what next pointer can I use here? So I know that after reversing, the string will become madam and then forward it is also madam. So after reversing this em come to here and this a come to here and this d come to here. So if I compare the half of a string from the starting and half of the string from the back side, and if it is equal, then I can say that it is palindrome because in the starting there is m and in the end there is m, and at the second point there is a, and at the second from back it is a, and at the third point it is a d, and from the back side at the third point it is also d. I can say that it is palindrome because let's take another example that is a b b a, and a pointer is pointing to here and another is pointing to here, and I am checking that if this a is equal to this a, so I will increase this pointer to here and this pointer to decrease here. So again I will check that if this both pointer pointing to the value that is same, so b and b is also same. So I will move this pointer to here and this pointer to here. So whenever the both pointer cross each other, so I can say that the half of this string part is equal to another half of it. So I can simply return that it is palindrome. And at any point that is if it is not equal, let's take another example that is a b c a b a, and if I compare it with the last, so I will compare it with the last. So this A and this A is equal. So I can move this pointer to here and this pointer to here. And now I will compare that it is equal to this. So I can directly move this pointer to here and this pointer to here. And now if I check it, so it is not equal. So I can directly return, don't go forward and backward. I can simply return that it is not palindrome, because after reversing it will become A B A C B A, and it is not palindrome. So in this approach we can also save our space, because I am using both pointer in the same string. I am not creating any another string. So it will be another approach, and it is taking order of n space, because I am using two pointer from the first half, one pointer, and for the second half one pointer. But so like it will take like order of n by 2 space, but 1 by 2 is our constant. So in worst case I will remove it from the here, because it is not considered in time complexity. So our order n will be the space complexity, sorry, our time complexity, and so our time complexity will be order of n, and the space complexity will be order of 1, because I am not using any extra space here. So if I go with the problem. So here I have created a left pointer that is pointing to the starting, and another is right pointer that is point to the length minus 1, means at the last pointer. So if I compare both pointer, if it is not equal, then I can simply return false, and if it is equal, because if this condition is not true, so the pointer will come here, and it will also increase the left pointer and right pointer. If it is not equal, it means it is equal. So I will increase and decrease the both pointer, and I will again compare. And here I am not using equally, because let's take an example. Because if there is A B C D A, so if I check this part after reversing this part, it is equal. So I don't need to check to the middle, because middle will be, because it is odd length string, and if the middle half of this part will be equal to the second half after reversing, so it is true. So if I check this and this and this, and I can also compare this with this, but there is no need to compare it. So I can directly submit it, and it is submitted. Yes, yes, it is submitted. So this is the problem. Thank you.